Hello my friends, hope you're having a wonderful day. Today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make banana bread. It is so moist, delicious, and it's going to be so simple and easy to make. And it'll be perfect for breakfast, brunch, or even for a snack. I'm Ellen, and I want to welcome all my new and returning subscribers to On. You ready, my friends? Let's go bake some banana bread magic in my southern kitchen. Alright, in my bowl I have 1.5 cups of self-rising flour. We're going to add in 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Going to stir all this together, and we're going to set these aside while we work on our wet ingredients. Alright my friends, in my bowl I have 3 mashed bananas along with 4 ounces of softened cream cheese. And we're going to add in 1/2 cup each of white sugar and packed dark brown sugar. 4 tablespoons of canola oil. 4 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. 1 teaspoon of banana extract. And 1 teaspoon of butter extract. Going to stir all this together until it's nice and well combined. I love this recipe because you don't have to use a mixer. Alright my friends, I'm through mixing all my wet ingredients. So next, we're going to add the dry ingredients and 1 beaten egg. And stir all together until it's nice and well combined. Alright my friends, this is what our bread batter look like, nice and thick. Alright, that looks awesome. Now we're going to pour our batter into a greased loaf pan. Alright my friends, I got my batter into my pan, so now we're ready to bake this baby. We're going to put it in the preheated 350 degree oven, and we're going to let it bake for 50 minutes to an hour. Alright, I'll see y'all back here in a minute. My friends, ain't nothing like the smell of fresh banana bread straight out of the oven. Look how nice and golden brown that looks. Thebomb.com, amazing. Alright, so now we're going to let our banana bread cool, and then we're going to take out the pan. Alright my friends, there you have it, moist banana bread. Don't that look good? And I cut them into slices. And now for the moment of truth. And I'm serving it with a glass of milk. Here we go. Lord have mercy. Bursting with banana goodness and melts in your mouth. That is some yummy banana bread, my friends. Y'all will love this recipe. Banana-licious. My friends, thank you so much for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat.